Now, the Caribbean is expected to be under the influence of a high-pressure ridge that's going to be dominating across the area for the next couple of days. And as a result, we do have drier conditions expected across most of the region. We also have weaker winds expected to be blowing across the open waters of the basin. So we should be seeing most of the activity stabilize across the general area. Currently, we do have some isolated showers and thunderstorms in the Western Caribbean as a result of the piling up of those winds across the area. However, stability is the story for much of the Caribbean for much of the next few days, for most of the next few days. Now, forecast for tonight, we are expecting fair skies covering the entire island. We expect temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. It's generally sunny in the morning tomorrow across most places, and for the afternoon, we are expecting more sunshine to persist across the island. The temperatures are expected to reach 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to get to 31 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has generally sunny conditions for the southeast tomorrow. Expect a few clouds in the afternoon if you're in Macon or Mandeville. Generally sunny conditions are also expected across most of the southwest. That's Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. It's partly cloudy for the afternoon and morning in Port Antonio and Port Maria. And that's where we have to cut things short for the weather forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.